The ultimate question before the Supreme Court is really very simple. Did Congress, under the Constitution, have the authority to pass the Affordable Care Act? The biggest issue in the case is the individual mandate, the requirement of individuals to buy health insurance, is that constitutional? That's the heart of the law, and it's also the most controversial part of the case. The heart of the argument against the individual mandate is that the Constitution forbids Congress from telling individuals that they have to buy a product from a private company, an insurance company, with government penalties, money penalties, if they don't. That is simply not something that the Constitution allows. The argument in favor of the individual mandate is that this is a kind of regulation in the healthcare market that the government has been doing for decades. And the government tells you have to buy a seatbelt if you buy a car, and this is just another requirement that involves 1/6 of the national economy, which certainly is something of relevance and importance to Congress's jurisdiction. Congress has been deeply involved for decades in regulating health care, Medicare, Medicaid. All sorts of federal laws deal with health care. For that reason, it is the consensus, not unanimous, but the consensus of most legal experts that this law, like all those other laws, is constitutional. Given what we know about the justices, 5 votes are very easy to predict. The 4 Democrats, Breyer, Ginsburg, Sotomayor, Kagan, are certain to vote to uphold the law. 1 Republican, Clarence Thomas, is virtually certain to vote to overturn the law based on his prior record. The other 4 justices, the other 4 Republicans, Chief Justice Roberts, Justice Scalia, Justice Kennedy, Justice Alito, I think they're the key votes here, and the question is, can the Democrats get at least one of them to make a majority? It is certain that the court will not announce its opinion at the end of this argument. However, the justices often give very good clues about which way they're leaning in the course of all the questions they ask.